Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can deploy your first serverless application version, and that is to absolutely free. Alright, so let's get started. And like always, I have already written a blog post for the same. You can follow these instructions, you can follow this guide, and you can easily get started. So let's open this blog, and I will add the website link and the blog link in the descriptions. Alright, you can follow these instructions as it's pretty clean. However, you can also follow the official documentation from Vercel, right? So there are a couple of things like first you have to install the Vercel key CLI. If you haven't already, then you need to log into Vercel using GitLab, GitHub, or any other service provider you're using. Then you have to initialize the projects. You can initialize any project from these templates from Vercel like Next.js, Hujo, Getray, and any of them you can like easily install them, right? And then you have to create your first serverless function. You can write your functions whatever you want to do. Like for example, I am just you know showing you through the example of this greeting message, and then you have to type Vercel deploy or Vercel to deploy this to Vercel. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to show you all these things one by one. Alright, so let's back to terminal. Now I'm going to create a new directory like mkdir serverless application, then cd into this, and now I'm gonna open this into code. Alright, now let's close it. Don't say. Now I'm gonna create new directory called API, and now let's create a new file hello.js, and now let's back to website. Let me copy it. You can follow these instructions. It's pretty simple. It's not the hardest thing in the world, right? So now let's copy it and paste it. Alright, now we have created hello.js inside API. So this will be our serverless functions. Alright, and it should print hello world. Alright, now let's back to instructions. Now what we have to do, actually I have already installed the Vercel CLI, so I'm not gonna do it. So now I'm gonna follow this second step. Alright, now let's come, then Vercel login, continue with GitHub. You may be using GitLab or Bitbucket or maybe email, so you can choose the method you want to continue with. I'm gonna continue with GitHub, so I'm just gonna enter. Now it will prompt for the login. It will send to the browser, and you have to accept it. Alright, so now I am successfully authenticated, and now I can back to the CLI. Alright, now we have logged in into Vercel CLI. Now we can deploy our projects. And I'm gonna close it. Now come here and let's see. Now here is Vercel init. Maybe you need to do that, but I'm gonna not do it because I'm not creating new project from scratch. I have just created my serverless function inside API. Alright, now what we have to do is we just need to do the Vercel to deploy these functions, and this will give you the deployed URL. Alright, so now Vercel and enter. If you like a couple of questions, you just need to get the answer, and nothing much tricky, nothing much hard. Alright, set up and deploy SLA. Yup, enter yes. Which scope, stack simple. Then do you want to link to the existing program? No, I am creating it from scratch, so just enter no. Link to existing, no. What's project name? I'm gonna SLA and enter. project already exists. What is project? Alright, maybe I have already developed the project with the same name, so SLA new. Well, it's not. Alright, so you can enter that. Then which location enter? Want to notify these setting? No, I'm just gonna deploy the default settings. Alright, now the member has started. You don't have to do anything, it's gonna deploy it for you. Alright, now it has deployed, and if you see, if I let me also show you to the Vercel dashboard, and come here, you may be able to see this also, right? So if I go here and I open that, it's saying not found, but we need to an API and hello. Now it should work fine. Alright, so now we have successfully deployed our first serverless functions to Vercel without any cost. And if I come back here, you will also be able to see these URL, and you can click here and you can also go there and enter API and hello. So thank you for watching.